Hi everyone and welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am here to solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2025 May-June paper 2-1 document production part. So first of all we should have our source files. I have them already with me. These are the files. Now I need to start work with the evidence document where I need to place my student name, candidate number and center number. So I will open the evidence document here. This is our evidence document, and now I'm going to insert the header, which will include the candidate name, center number and candidate. So candidate name, then I have my center number, for example XY 1 2 3, and then my candidate number 0000. Close. Then what I need to do is I need to save this one as with the name of evidence, and then I will save it with my candidate number. So I will just simply click on file, save this one as, and instead of other folder I'm going to save it into the same folder, or I can just go to desktop and I will create a folder with the name that 2025-1. So I will name it with the candidate number, just like that. This file is created. Now what we need to do is to start with task 2. You are going to edit about exams. The school uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph styles must be created and applied as instructed. So using a suitable software package, open this file. So I will open this file called exam info. Then we need to check if the page size is A4, landscape orientation with 2.5 centimeter margins. So let's have a check on it. Layout, page setup, it is 2.5, yes, and paper size is A4 and it is landscape, so no need to make any changes over here. Now 3 paragraph styles have already been created, so let's see, do we have any paragraph styles? Yes, 1, 2 and 3. Now we need to save this document with the name exam guide. So let me just copy this text from here and will save this document as file, save as, desktop, this folder with the name, and then as a Word document. Saved. Next step, make sure it is saved in the software that you are using, and then place an evidence document, a screenshot to show this file has been saved. So what I need to go to is I need to go to the desktop and I need to open the folder to make sure that this file is created. Now I'm going to take the screenshot. So this is my folder name and the file is here, or you can just simply take screenshot of this portion, only this part, to confirm that it is being saved, and include this one as evidence 1. Now next step is to move forward with the formatting. So place in the exam document a center align header with automated page number. So I'm going to include here a header and a center align automated page number. This is one. Then next, write a line in footer on a single line with text, this one. So nothing else in the header. So let me just get back here and delete these ones. And now I'm gonna move to the footer. So in the footer they want on right side of reduced by, like this, Control C on the right side, reduced by, then your name, then your center number 1 2 3, and then your candidate number, I guess, yes, in a single line. These ones I'm going to delete it, we don't need it. Close, get back to normal. And now moving forward to the next stage, which is question number 3. Select the subheading general and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending the evidence provided. So starting from the heading general till the evidence provided. So you will just keep on selecting them till here, and then after what you need to do is to change the page layout so that only this text is displayed in 2 columns. So layout, columns, more, 2 columns with a 2 centimeter space between them. So the space between them is supposed to be 2 centimeter. Click on OK. Then we need to apply a bulleted list to the text mobile phones till electronic devices. So here is the list. We'll select this one, and home bulleted list should be applied. For example, this one. They did not mention which kind of bulleted text, so we selected one. The bulleted list are intended 2.5 centimeter from the left. So they are 2.5 centimeter intended from the left. So you can just move them here. 2.5, or even you can move these ones here as well. So the bullet is 2.5. Or you can just simply select them and you can just move them here. That's fine. Right. Then after, the list is in a single line spacing. So right click, paragraph, line spacing, single, with 6 point for the last item. So let's have 0. Okay. And let me just click here and then right click, paragraph again, and after text is 6. Click on OK. So there is a 6 point gap, and then locate the table in the document. Delete the entire row and content from the subject business unit 1. So let's try to find out the table. I think it was here. Yes. So business unit 1. First of all, what you do is click here and get the borders, all borders. So now it's easy for you to find out where it is. This one, select this row, you can just select the row from here. Now right click and delete row. Got deleted. Then what you need to do is sort all the data in the table from math paper 1 to combined science paper 3 into ascending order of exam date with data integrity maintained. So we need to sort them into the order of exam date. So select this one, or you can just select this one, and then we have an option ascending order. Select date into ascending order, click on OK. Now it is in the ascending order. Then till combined sciences. So yeah, this is what we have now. It is done. Yes, from math 1 and onward. Right, moving forward, apply to the table 0.5 grid lines to all this line cells. Click here and now you can go to the border and shading, and as they mention here 0.5 grid lines, it is already 0.5 grid lines, and that is internal grid lines. Okay, so we click here, already I clicked, these are the one, and then after it says 3 to 4 point external. Okay, so now what you need to do is, first of all, click on box, these ones, and it should be 3 to 4 point. Okay, let me just get the grid line. Okay, or this one is better. Yeah, so first we will select the outer border, and which is going to be 3 to 4 points. So I'm going to select, for example, 3. Okay, where the not all, only the box. Okay, click on OK. So it is only internal border. Now you select them. Okay, and now you go to the inside borders. Okay, so for inside borders you need to go to the border here, and then you click here on the internal borders. First select from here, for example 0.5. Okay, and grids, click on OK, and now you click here to select the external borders as well. So outside borders, here, go back, and now you can just select the this one or this one with the 3, so you can just place it over here, 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 and then here. So this is how it will look like, and the next stage is to first format the first row of the table. It become a single cell, so we need to select them and right click. We have an option called merge cells, and then after, the text should be center aligned vertically and horizontally. So this is center align. Now layout, vertically and horizontally, this is vertical alignment. And then the next step is to, it has a highlight of 20 to 40%, so click here, home, and then get the shading 22. So they say 20 to 40, let me just select 35%. And then the next stage is to apply the X table style to row 2 to 12. So starting from row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 till here. Select these ones and apply to it the style as they mention. You should apply to it the style, the X table style. So just select them. Okay, but before that we need to check one thing. If they ask us here to adjust, okay, right, I have selected them, and now I need to apply the X table style to it. This is being applied, and now the next stage is to format the table so that all the text in each row displayed on one line. So the text is displayed in one line. Let me just adjust them. Okay, little bit. Yes, the exam date should go a little bit like this. No. Okay, this is like that. And now let me just make this one short as well. No. So I'm just selecting this one, and I will select the option here that is called fit to content. So auto fit and then fit to content. So now you see it is now seems to be much better. And now what we need to do is the table border are displayed within the column width, and there is a 6 centimeter space after the table. So I will just click here and right click paragraph, and above I will add 6. So there is a 6 centimeter or 6 point gap. Now we need to create and store the following style. So I need to create a style with the name, this one. So I will just go to the end of the document so nothing is disturbed, and I'm going to create one style. So this will be the style name, modify no, based on no style, and should be normal. And now what we need to do is sans serif, means Arial. Now after Arial we want this one to be 18 points, so I selected 18 sorry, and then we want this one to be center align, bold and underline, and then single line spacing. So format, paragraph, single line spacing, and before and after 0 point. Okay, and I'll just click on OK. So a new style is created now here with the X subhead. Now what we need to do is we need to take screenshot that we have created this one. So right click, modify, and you will take the screenshot of this one to confirm that we have created this style, and we will click on OK here, evidence document. That is our screenshot too. Right, step number 11. Now next is to identify the 4 subheading and apply this style, the one you have created just now. So this is 1, this is 2, now keep scrolling up, this is 3, and this is 4. So X subheading style you applied, and then what you need to do is yes, in the last paragraph locate the text result nomination form. Okay, let me just go to the last paragraph, result nomination form. So let's try to find result nomination form. Okay, it's here, results nomination form. And then what we need to do, format this text so that when clicked it opens the document with the file name results. So we right click, hyperlink, and then existing file, and let's get that file from the desktop maybe. Let me just do one thing first, that will be much better I guess. So the file they mention is J2125 results, this one. Let me just copy from here and go to my folder, and I will just place it over here. Now it will be easy to right click, hyperlink, existing file, and this one. Okay, so it act like a hyperlink now. And then take screenshot evidence showing the X result nomination form link to correct file. Okay, right click, and then we have edit hyperlink. Now you take a screenshot that it is being linked to the correct file. Cancel. Now this is your next evidence, which is evidence for step number 13. And then they mention to spell check and proofread the document, which we will do, and then we just need to print out. So you just click on save, and this is your document production part of this question paper. So I hope you understand how to deal with the document production part of this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates.